Thank you. Welcome back. In this session, we are going to talk about another exciting part of the retail, which is retail marketing management. Marketing is what connects the retailer with the customer. It is how brand creates awareness, drives traffic, increase sales, and build loyalty. Simply put, without effective marketing, even the best store and best products can remain invisible. Now, let's understand what is retail marketing all. So, it is all about attracting the customer inside the store, whether it is physical or online, and convert that into the sales. So it is all activities that is designed to attract customer in the to the store, whether it is physical or online, and convert that into the sales is part of the retail marketing activities. Some of the activities to name, whether it is planning, promotions, and discounts, multiple in-store events or events within mall managements, loyalty programs, membership benefits, advertising across digital, print, and the social media platforms, personalizing offers based on the customer data. Like you might have seen, even the loyalty has a multiple tiers in it. So personalizing those offers based on the tiers you belong. If you are on the higher tier, the offers and the promotions that you get might be different from the other lower tiers. So it is all happening because there's a marketing mind behind it. And the goal is very clear: to drive more footfall, higher engagement, and greater sales. Key activities that we see in marketing, or let's say in the campaign, in the retail marketing is, or the definition, if you talk about, like, which is some of the key definition that you will keep here into the world of retail marketing is customer segmentation, which is all about group of customers having common characteristics. So goes back to the loyalty tiers that I was talking about. There's a customer segmentation plays a very critical role in order to group the customer who are having the similar attributes or similar, let's say, nationality. The promotion that will run targeting those particular people would be unique from others. So that dissecting the overall target market into multiple smaller target market is comes under the customer segment. Then we have personalization. Personalization is designing the promotion created to the individual need. So if you're buying from Carrefour or let's say from Amazon, next time when you are going to again do some sort of purchase, they will try to understand that what you wanted to buy in your last visit and putting that offers in front of you so that you are going to buy more often. The store will be able to convert your sale easily. Then campaigns, which is primarily targeting customers and communication through different channels. That is what we call it campaigns. Then we have CRM, which is a customer relationship management. It is a strategy for managing all your company's relationship and interaction with your customers and the potential customers. So there is a systems behind it which keeps all the data of the customer in a single tool and then use those data for driving loyalty in marketing campaigns. There are so many more, but at a very high level, you should understand the segmentation, personalization, campaign management, and the key term CRM in order to understand the fundamentals of marketing. Going further, what we are gonna see some of the key KPIs. So another KPI that marketer follows is footfall. So they wanted to have more footfall increase, more visitor during the campaigns. They track promotional sales upliftment, increment in the sales generated during the promotion or campaign cycle, loyalty enrollment and sales. What is the percentage of customer visiting are loyal customers and what is the sales percentage of the customer who are loyal? They continuously gather the campaign ROI to know that what is the amount spent on the campaign and what is the ROI generated, and continuously track the sales percentage whenever let's say national campaigns or local campaigns are running it. Now overall, retail marketing is the voice of the retailer to the customer. Your efforts, what you're doing is part of merchandising is and part of buying or anything that This is where the voice reaches to the customer to communicate that how you're gonna benefit them. It is all about creating excitement, building trust, and driving business growth in an increasing competitive world. In our next session, we will move deeper behind the scene and explore another interesting topic, which is called master data management. See you there. Let's talk about master data management in our next system and move on, learn every day, learn in every session. Thank you.